Hey, what's up, chillin'? So today we're gonna be checking out the 40th anniversary Stussy shirt and also the Supreme North Face shoulder bag.
Hey, look, it's above me now. It's above me. You want me to answer all of your questions, but it's above me now. It's above me. Hey, why you ain't stressing
so
over the...
this anniversary tee, it's still available on the website as of now, as of today's date, the 6th of November. Basically, when I saw it, I just had to pick it up, had a great message on it. I like to have positive messages on this channel, just give you guys some good content. You can know, like, some legit streetwear out there, and also just be, you know, positive and have a good mental state, you know what I mean? Gotta work your mind. So anyway, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, show me you're cool with this content that I'm putting out for all of you people out there. And yeah, so Stussy went ahead and put their logo on their little bag here. They always do that for these. And then they also gave me a bunch of goodies, it looks like. Yeah, look at that. Oh wait, is it just the one goodie? Yeah, everything else is just tags. But I did get a Stussy decal, new wave design, and also the receipt, their little sticker receipt basically. And then the shirt, oh wait, I guess they did give me another sticker. I thought that was maybe a tag, but no, that's a Stussy crown right there. Yeah, I think that's it. Is it? Yeah, that's it. There we go. Made in Mexico. Here's our little tag. There's the wash tag here on the back of the neck. Let you see all that. And then your hang tag. There you go. I did get this tee in my normal size, of size large. On the front, you got that logo, Earth in the corner pocket. And then on the back, whole bunch of text on there. Smash racism, rebuild, destroy, unite. No lives matter till Black Lives Matter. The revolution is in the hands of the young. What side of history will you choose? Oh man, so much. Just overloading your mind there, making you think. We need to be constantly questioning our ethics, making sure we're doing things for the right reasons, and we know what we believe in and where the roots are of our beliefs and whatnot. So anyways, I am gonna try this one on. It looks like it is a bit oversized for this size large. I'm just saying. What do you guys think about Brain Dead? Do you guys like Brain Dead? I've been getting into checking out some of their apparel. I was able to pick up their Slam Jam Socialism pants collab. These are pretty dope. Got that pocket on the back with the little graphic, and yeah, just different stuff all over the place. Angels Forever. Yeah, anyways, a lot of hidden messages with Brain Dead. Been, you know, kind of off and on with if I want to pick them up, and so finally found somebody who had some, and so I just picked them up from that person. So anyways, I am going to check out this Stussy shirt. We'll see how it fits. I'm about 6'1", 140 pounds, so you'll see what this size large looks like. We got this oversized shirt on. We got the white on white print. I didn't even notice that. It was actually white ink on there, so you know, kind of cool little hint there. And there's the back graphic for you. So you guys get a good view of that. Yeah, it fits basically like a size large. I feel like maybe it's a little bit oversized on the width. A little bit, probably not too much on the length, honestly. The sleeve length is good for a size large. I mean, overall, it's not really that oversized. I mean, maybe a tiny bit, but I would just go true to size with ordering and just be cool with that little bit of oversized feel for it, a little bit more comfortable. And yeah, we're gonna get into the Supreme North Face shoulder bag now. What is this one, from week 9, I think, something like that. Oh, actually, this is really thin. So we got a couple of Supreme stickers, registered to vote. You know, it's already over. Well, we don't have a winner yet as of now in the United States. I'm actually, you know, born and raised here in the United States. They don't have a winner. Too close to call still as of today, but probably have it tonight or tomorrow. So anyways, yeah, this bag just kind of hit me. I thought it was kind of cool with that S logo. I was going after the fleece, wasn't able to grab it, sold out. Basically, as soon as I added it to cart, it was probably gone. Typing in all my information, and yeah, I didn't hit, but I went back in, was able to grab this North Face bag. I am a pretty big fan of shoulder bags. I like to utilize them instead of overloading my pockets, and yeah, it's just a nice accessory. So this bag does look like it is made out of some pretty weatherproof material. It is really light, really thin. It's not thick at all. I mean, there's nothing hard, like no cardboard or any plastic in here that is making it keep its shape. It's like just be super tiny. So you could definitely store this and just use it when you need it. And even this strap is pretty lightweight. It does feel like it has a good strong build to it though. Some sturdy materials. And then inside, on the inner part, you have two different kinds of plastic. The one side is more shiny, the one side not so shiny. Not so shiny. Let me go ahead and give you some close-ups of the tags for all of this. There's your sticker tag on the plastic itself. And then you got this hang tag here with some information, good times. And then you've got your tag on the inside of the product, little scan code. cool silvery thingy, you know, legit checking. And then you got these other tags in here. All that info, you know. This North Face logo on here is just printed on there. This S is totally sewn in. It's a new fabric that is this white fabric. It gives you that S logo. I'll go ahead and throw it on here. You guys can check it out. I might actually made it a little bit too long. Yeah, just a nice, stands for my name, you know, since my name is Stefan, why not get that S logo? I mean, not that many people in my area even know about Supreme. This one dude we got at the post office, he's new, and he's actually from New York, but he's never heard of Supreme. He's like, oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of New York companies or whatever. I'm like, alright dude, whatever. So yeah, Supreme is still pushing its reach out to everybody. And then also in this front zipper, you do have some additional pockets on here. Got like sewn down 2 additional pockets in there. One smaller one maybe for a cell phone, one bigger one for a laptop or something. I meant like I meant a notepad, but then people probably think that's an electronic as well. I was thinking like a stack of papers, you know, stapled together or something. You can write stuff down. But yeah, so definitely a dope bag. Let me know what you guys think about it. What you guys think about this Earth in the Corner pocket tee, the 40th anniversary Stussy shirt. And then yeah, before I let you go, I'm gonna shoot some positivity at you. You know I gotta do that, from Roy T. Bennett. This quote is taken from his book entitled The Light in the Heart. The outer world is a reflection of the inner world. Other people's perception of you is a reflection of them. Your response to them is an awareness of you. Oh man, that quote really makes me think about people's actions, how they act, how you act, how I act. Our actions, everybody's action is a reflection of who they are on the inside. The person on the inside comes out based off of what you've been storing up inside. Only what you've ingested can you put back out into the world in the form of words or actions or whatever. And then also on the other side, people's response to your actions or your response to other people's actions is totally a reflection of what is on the inside. So basically, all of those crazy interactions that are happening around the world and that maybe you're seeing because they're being pushed to the forefront of media and they're like, you know, shock content, so everybody's got to see it and everybody is going to go crazy over it and share it and everything like that. Those specific instances is just a reflection of those people, what they've been bottling up. Maybe they haven't been bottling up for very long, or maybe it's been slowly letting little things seep in, and so now they have this big outburst that they're probably ashamed of after the fact, or they have a response to somebody saying something to them and they didn't realize how much they've been bottling up this content that now is just flowing freely out in an almost uncontrollable way. I mean, honestly, there's not a way to control humans. We all get to do what we want. We have this free choice. I mean, we all hold ourselves back, but still, I mean, that's still free will. Even if you're holding yourself back, you're choosing to do that. But what I'm trying to really get across is that we need to be filling ourselves up with positive content, positive things that can really uplift us and push us to uplift all the people around us, because we all need to pick each other up and help each other out right now. I mean, the world has seen enough of just tearing people down and destruction. There are some bad things in this world that do need to be destroyed and eradicated. But then now it's the flip side. We got to learn how to come together as a people and just be that positive energy to everybody around us, because positive energy is totally contagious. I can tell you, I try and keep everybody positive, keep the mood going, even when I'm out playing basketball. It just makes it more exciting. It gives us that extra energy punch when you've got that emotion into whatever it is that you're doing. It's kind of funny. I've had friends that were playing basketball without me and they're like, man, something's missing. It's just not right. It's like, oh yeah, Stefan's not here. Because I'm just bring that aggression, that just energy that just lights up the floor. I'm not saying I'm really amazing at basketball, because I'm really not. I really never have been, but I've dabbled here and there. Kind of like I've been a skateboarder my whole life, but I've never been really that good, because I'll skateboard for a while and then I'll quit. Or when I was younger, it was all about being fast. I just wanted to just win at racing because we didn't have a skate park and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm getting on a tangent. I do love you all. I am getting some of those Noah 100% recycled cotton t-shirts made in the US. Got a couple of those shirts coming in. I want to paint those up with some of my art and put it out to the world. So that's pretty exciting. I was hoping they would come in today. They didn't, but it's okay, because 2 items already. And then also the brain dead gear. There's like quite a bit of items. So anyways, I basically go through these different outfits fits, and then after I've worn them a few times, I'll sell them off to somebody who reaches out to me. And some of the stuff I do hold and keep brand new, so I'm not gonna say I don't do that. Some shoes I do keep dead stock until I want to wear them, and if I don't wear them before they sell them, that's just how it is. So anyways, let's go out there, change the world, make it positive. You guys are cool to be who you are. You can have a little side business, have a little side hustle. You can go after your dreams and ambitions, and you can love every living thing as you go along that journey and just own this life. Anyways, love y'all. Peace.
Have a party in the hood. Hey, work, but it's that one, try to get a